You can use arrays and for loops to create galleries, or at least to create the image names and titles for the galleries. Use the array to create the names and use the loops to call up the names. Or rather, use the arrays to store the names. And the other thing, and I actually ran into this problem when I was working on my project, which I still am working on my project, which was the cache problem. That actually helped me out. Naming every image, yes, that definitely helped me out as well. No spaces. I never do spaces in my image names, but that's still a good point to make. You also warn that caching issues will arise when adding or deleting images. I ran into the problem when I was adding some images. And then you just delete the app on the thing, and it all worked out for me. Definitely having everything in the project before I started would have been nice, which I tried to do. I just decided to add a couple different pictures. And then the other point you made, which I thought was really good, was the syntax error. An error in the coding, almost like a grammar error in English. It's something simple, something kind of hard to catch, almost like missing a comma. It's a punctuation error. And another good tip was when you come across a parse error, just work backwards from where the error is. That was a good tip. And the other good tip I thought was being specific with code formatting. It makes errors easier to find. That is 100% correct, and I completely agree with that. It has definitely helped me narrow down problems before. And here is my example of creating an image view. I am getting the list of images right here, and I am calling them right here. Var image view, TIUI create image view. It displays the width, the height, and then it takes the images and the list of images and displays them how I'm telling it to. And here's the example of that right here. And there we go.